Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to download Guarda application on your iOS device. To download and install Guarda application on your iPhone is a straightforward process. Go ahead and make sure that your device is connected to stable internet and then open your App Store. Go to the search icon at the bottom right corner and in the search bar, type in Guarda. Look for the Guarda Crypto Wallet Bitcoin application, which looks like this, and then tap on the Get or the Download button to start downloading the app on your device. Guarda app is a multi-platform cryptocurrency wallet that allows users to store, manage, and exchange various digital assets securely. It supports multiple cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others, providing a convenient way to manage them in one place. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button to launch Open Guarda application on your iOS device. You can then simply go ahead and create a new wallet to get started with the platform, or if you have an existing wallet, you can restore it as well. If you want to learn more about Guarda, then make sure you watch our other videos on the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and press the notification bell so that you'll never miss out on another update from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Stay tuned till then.